have only 8 minutes of workout. We're going to do 40 seconds hardcore, 20 seconds rest in between, and you are going to feel your best. I want you to power on through. Make sure you're focusing on your breath. Make sure that you can keep it going. Do not give up. Remember, when your body tells you you've had enough, you need to just carry on. It is lying to you. Okay, so we're going to set the timer for 40 seconds. I'm going to go through the exercises with you. Whilst I'm just going through them, I want you to start warming up, flicking back your heels into that booty. Reach those arms up. Let's get that breath flowing. Okay, so we're going to start with mountain climbers. 20-second rest after. Then we're going into the explode. I want big movements, strong arms, strong legs, explosive. We want to bring that power. Next up after that, we've got suicides. High plank to a low plank. We're going to keep them working really, really hard. Okay, marching on the spot now. Take your arms forward. After that, we're going to go into some bear crawls. Yes, keeping those knees really close to the floor. Back straight. Take your arms across. We do not want any cheating. Imagine you're a bear running through the forest. That's exactly what we want. Flicking it back now. Okay, next up after that, we're doing a walkout press. So you're going to keep your back straight, you're going to walk through your arms and then take it into a press up. Now if you're like me and your arms are weak, you can just do it on your knees. So drop your knees to the floor, do that press up. If you can do 4 press ups, fabulous, then stay with that. Okay, after that we've got jump lunges. Again, if they're too tiring for you, you can slow them down. And after that, we got some squats with a curtsy lunge. It's going to really shake that booty. And finally, we're going to get down onto the floor just to do some crunches. We got an alternative crunch there. Okay, so let's just reach out, stretch those arms, tummy nice and tight, squeeze and push. Press that spine back and release. Take your arms wide and push out to the front. Okay, take it to the side now. We're just warming up those joints. 3, 2, 1. Change to the other side. And 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Take that foot back, squeeze, and change. You're just warming up those calf muscles. Keeping it there. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, are we ready? We're going straight in. 40 seconds into those mountain climbers. Keep that back straight, tummy nice, tucked in. Let's go. Into position. Take it down and rock. Breathe. Keep pushing on. 15 gone. Great work. You got this. Halfway. Crunch that core. Don't forget it. 15 to go. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Take it down. 20-second rest. We're going into that explosive movement. We got explodes. Keep them strong. Strong into your legs, strong into your arms. 10 seconds rest. We're almost there. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it into your heels. Focus on that breath. Explode that movement. You got it. Great work. crawls. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, we want that bum down, those legs close to the floor. Focus on your breath, keep that core tight. Let's go. Keep those knees close to the floor. Tummy crunch. Over halfway. 12 left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 20 seconds rest. Next up, we got to walk out with a press. 10 seconds. Get your breath back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Straight back. Take it down. Squeeze that movement. If you want to go down onto your knees, you may. Halfway. Squeeze. 12 seconds. Let's go into those full press ups. You've only got 5 left. 2, 1. Great work. Okay, jump lunge. Move the mat. Get your breath. We're over halfway. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
We come and bring, I'm on the top of the king of king. Yes, and the zombie origin. Yes, we are come bring a ring.
25 left.
Ding, 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 ding. Hey, we come and bring,
Halfway.
I'm on the top of the king of king. Yes, and the
Get that
zombie
balance.
origin. Yes, we are come bring a ring. Ding, 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 ding. Yo, you know, yeah.
10,
Like this, you're gonna be fall like this. Fall like this, you're gonna be fall
6,
like this. Come in at the dance, and we
2,
cool and crisp. Come in at
1.
the dance, and we hot it.
Shake those legs out.
Fall like this, you're gonna be fall like this. Fall
Squat
like
with
this,
the
you're gonna be
calves
fall
lunge.
like this.
Booty shape up. Take the weight into your heels. 8 seconds. Get ready for it. We've only got one more after this. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Squeeze it back. Take it behind. Knee towards the floor. Squeeze. Take it deep. Control that movement. Core nice and tight. Weight into your heels. Chest nice and open. Don't bend forwards. Great work. Only 10 left. Let's hold it here. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake those legs out. Okay, we got the last exercise now. This is going to finish on that core. We're going to take those legs alternating up, reaching for the inside of the ankle. Let your whole body move upwards. Let's go. Hands behind. Breathe out as you come up. Great work. Push on. Crunch that core. Come on, ladies, let's get rid of that mum tongue.
I grade as my blood clot, we can nearly damn king. All about the US and the Benjamin Franklin. Me coming from the gutter, but we heading to the top thing. Pussy them acting, them softer than a napkin. She'll know that I like shower and king on the banking. Fucking up the business, them I wonder if I'm planting. One thing for run up on the crocodile around.
Great work. Okay, so as you can see, from it, share it with your family, friends. Let's spread out this way of just working out. Some lovely locations like this in the park where you can feel absolutely amazing. Okay, so before we go, just going to give you a quick cool down so you're not left all going crazy. Right, let's go with this. This is one of my faves. So we're just going to stretch out now. Really enjoy the piece. Let's roll our shoulders back. 3, 2, 1, and forwards. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to go over to the front. We're going to go onto all fours, toes down into the mat, and you're just going to lean forwards. Reach it up. Nice big stretch at the back. And take it back. And forwards. And back. Just relax there. Push up. Push in. Spine up. Rocking that hip. And taking it up again. Come back. Let's take 1 foot in front. Lean into that position. Holding your hands up. Reach to the side. Staging over. Stretch right into those hips. Lift that hand. Okay. Taking your arms nice and wide. Stretch out. And squeeze. Push. And release. Take it wide. And squeeze. Push. And release. Take one arm behind. Hold that stretch there. And release. Okay, we're going to take onto the floor again. Put your hands down. Toes into the floor this time. We're going to lift the hip properly, making a triangle with our body. Pushing the hips right down. And hovering just above the floor. Tummy nicely tucked. And back. Slowly walking back and unraveling the spine. Okay. Take 1 foot in front, heel into the ground, lean into that stretch. Take a step in, stretch the other leg, step in at the hips. Change over. And release. Take a deep breath, reach up, exhale, 1 more, and release. Okay, thank you very much. Remember, if you want to get more tips and advice on how to beat that mum tum, how to remain trim, how to just lift your mind and feel good every single day, love yourself again, put yourself first, not just the children, then please subscribe to the channel. There's lots of videos coming soon. We've got recipe videos, we've got how to feed a family on a budget, we've got home exercise, everything you possibly could ever need. I've used my own experience to bring this YouTube channel for you, to help you feel that little bit better. Thank you very much for watching. Click, share, subscribe, take care.